Hello everyone, I hope you're well, and today I'm gonna do a quick demo on how I did a Minecraft cake for my son the other week. So these white little stripes on a cake, which is ganached on outside, but underneath the thin layer of ganache is a layer of buttercream. So this is the white stuff that is peeking out. And basically what I'm trying to decide here is whether to make little squares for this Minecraft cake in centimeters or in inches, and I'm very glad that I've decided to do it in inches because it took me about 3 times as long as I thought it would. So I pretty much was messing about and decorating it till the morning. So take note, those people who make novelty cakes commercially. Yeah, price them wisely. Generally, I would put my fondant in a fridge for a few minutes to make it easy to apply it, cut it out, etc. However, in this case, not only was I in a rush, but also I would need to stretch out and manipulate some of the squares to fit the rest of the geometric pattern, so fridge wasn't really an option. And here I'm using my hands just to make sure that everything is covered. The brush just wouldn't do it. For something like this, it's a very good idea to have your cake nicely chilled, but in general as well, if you work with a chocolate ganache covered cake, chilled always makes your life easier. Unlike what I do with flowers, I just pulled up a cake, someone else's cake from Pinterest, and copying the pattern exactly how it was on that cake. I will try to copy it and pin it to my Pinterest board so you can have a look. It was a lovely cake, yeah, I'm just a shameless copycat. If your cake is not square, or in case your cake is not precise and very square, work your way from the top to the bottom. That way, if you reach the bottom and decide that you only need partial square, then you could kind of cut it down and no one would really notice it. I think at the top it would be kind of more noticeable and would draw attention to itself. So this is why I kind of work backwards. Otherwise, I would have probably stacked up the bottom and then built up from the bottom to the top. That would be logical. So here we go. If any of you cake masters out there knows a clever way of making this fondant finish smoother at this point, please make sure you leave a note down below in comments for other people. And yeah, other than that, lovely to see you on my channel again, and I will see you again next week. I'll be back with my usual flower tutorials.